Decoration. The walls and ceiling in your home have been decorated with emulsion paint. This allows any moisture that has been generated as a result of the construction process to escape. You should not cover any emulsion painted surfaces during the first year, either by hanging wallpaper or painting the walls. This is to allow any defects which would appear on your walls to be easily identified and remedied. After the first year, you require Link's written permission to paint the walls. Hanging wallpaper is not permitted at any time. If you need to clean your emulsion painted walls, please use a damp cloth to lightly wipe the wall whilst taking care not to wash the paint off, as the paint may be washed off if you apply too much pressure. The internal doors in your home can be cleaned with a clean, damp cloth. If your door has a paint finish, please lightly wipe the affected area whilst taking care not to wash the paint off. Flooring. Link only permits the use of carpets, vinyl or click removable laminate. Glued type laminate is not permitted at any time. It is recommended that you do not lay vinyl throughout your entire home, as this prevents the floor from breathing and could lead to issues with dampness. If you choose to fit click laminate, you may be asked to remove it if a contractor needs to gain access under your floorboards to carry out any defects at the end of the first year. If you choose to fit carpet, we recommend the use of carpet grippers to hold your carpets down. If you use tacks, please do not use long tacks or nails longer than 20mm or 3/4 of an inch, as they may pierce pipework or electrical cables which are under the floorboards. If you damage any pipework or electrical cables, you will be liable for any cost to repair the damage caused. Never glue or bond the carpet, vinyl or underlay directly to the floor. 15 to 20mm has been allowed for floor coverings. If you lay flooring that is in excess of this, then it may result in problems opening and closing your doors. Please pay particular attention to the lifting boards which are found in areas of your flooring. These boards are there to give access to electrical cables, pipework or control valves and can be identified as they have been screwed rather than nailed in position. You are responsible for giving Link access to these panels throughout your tenancy. If you need help to identify these panels, please contact your housing officer. If you would like to install floor coverings other than carpets, vinyl or laminate, please refer to your manual. Wall fixings. The ceilings in your home are made of plasterboard sheets. The walls in your home are finished with plasterboard, therefore you should use plasterboard plug or toggle type fixings. Please do not put any fixings directly above or below light switches or sockets. Always leave a space of at least 45mm or 1.7 inches horizontally. This is because electrical cables are installed either above or below light switches and sockets, and any fixings placed there may damage the cables. The flow and return heating pipework in your home drops from the ceiling down the walls and connects to the radiators. Therefore, please take care not to pierce the walls directly above radiators, as you may damage the pipework. Roof space. You should not store anything in the roof space. Items can restrict airflow within the property. Also, the items could become damaged by condensation should there be any in the colder months of the year. Newly built properties need to be taken care of, so in the first year after moving in, there are some things that you will have to do to make sure that your home is looked after. When people move into new homes and start using the heating, the heat affects the timber and the other materials that were used to build the property. This drying out process can cause small cracks to appear on walls, ceilings, around windows and on woodwork. These cracks are perfectly normal, however we would recommend that you try and reduce the likelihood of cracks appearing by keeping your home at a consistent room temperature, even in the rooms that you do not use. If you have moved into the property in the colder months, you should try to keep the room temperature at a low but adequate consistent level, as you do not want to dry out the property too quickly. Your property can take several months to fully dry out. While your home dries out, it will produce moisture. To make sure the moisture can get out of your home, we recommend that whilst you are in, you open windows as often as possible. This will allow your house to breathe. We also recommend that you leave the trickle vents open for as long as you can each day. Use the extractor fans fitted in the kitchen and bathrooms. Condensation. Condensation can occur in newly built homes. This is because some building materials contain moisture, and as the materials dry out, water vapour is released into the air. New homes are designed to keep the heat in. However, this in turn means that water vapour finds it hard to escape, which increases the risk of condensation. Normal day-to-day activities can increase the amount of water vapour that is released. It is important to adequately ventilate your home. If warm air cannot escape out a window or an air vent, it will move around your home until it finds a cold surface where it cools down and forms condensation. We advise that you keep your home at a low but adequate consistent temperature, as fluctuating temperatures will increase the chance of condensation occurring. The Energy Saving Trust recommends from 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Continuous heat keeps all your surfaces warm, which reduces the risk of condensation. It is more likely to see condensation on colder parts of your home, such as around window openings. You will also see condensation in areas where air circulation is restricted, such as cupboards and outside walls, which has furniture against it. There are low energy fans fitted in your kitchen and bathrooms, which are designed to run continuously to prevent condensation. The isolation switches for the fans can be located at a high level outside the bathroom and just inside the kitchen door. Smoke alarm. We've provided smoke and heat detectors where appropriate in your home. All detectors are hardwired into your home with a battery backup. We recommend that you test these on a weekly basis by pressing the test button. If the detector identifies there is smoke or heat in the area, it will make a loud alarm sound. Carbon monoxide alarm. A carbon monoxide detector is fitted within your home and is powered by a battery designed to operate for the working life of the detector. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odourless, poisonous gas that can be produced should a gas appliance become faulty. If the detector identifies there is carbon monoxide in the area, it will make a loud alarm sound. If this happens, you must switch off all gas appliances and isolate the gas supply at the meter. You should ventilate your home by opening all windows and doors. A carbon dioxide detector is fitted within your home located in the main bedroom and is mains operated. Carbon dioxide is present in the external air we breathe at concentration levels of 400 parts per million and is not harmful to health at low concentration levels. However, as people release carbon dioxide into the air when they exhale, increased levels of carbon dioxide in occupied buildings can occur. Your carbon dioxide monitor will indicate if carbon dioxide levels are too high, allowing you to increase ventilation by opening windows or trickle vents. Door closers. You may have fire doors in your home. Some of your internal doors may have jam-mounted concealed door closers. Not all internal doors are fire doors, for example, the bathroom door. These self-closing devices must be able to close the door reliably from any angle to which it has been opened. Never remove or disconnect a door closer on a fire door or wedge open the fire doors. This would be a danger to you and others by preventing the door closing in the event of a fire. Front doors. Your front door has a spy hole, security chain and letterbox. All entrance doors are fitted with 3-point locking systems for added security. To engage the 3-point system, you raise the handle and turn the key to lock the door. Your house has a thumb turn lock on either your front or back doors. This type of lock does not require a key internally and designed to enable a quick escape in the event of a fire or emergency. Your bathroom door has a small thumb-turn lock beneath the handle on the inside of the room, allowing you to lock the door for privacy. If someone gets locked in the room, the lock can be released from the outside by inserting a coin or screwdriver into the slit in the centre of the fitting on the outside of the door and turning it anti-clockwise. Sure stop valve. Your new home is fitted with a sure stop valve, which will allow you to turn off the water supply at the click of a switch. Your sure stop valve is located in the kitchen underneath your sink. Electricity and gas. Your electricity meter will either be located in the hall cupboard or in the cupboard under the stairs. Next to the meter is a modern fuse box, now called a consumer unit. This unit has a hinged lid that can be opened to see the individual circuit breakers. Each switch is labelled. The main red switch turns all of the electric circuits on or off. The miniature circuit breakers are the smallest switches. Each switch carries a different circuit, the name of which is written above or below the switch, for example, kitchen sockets. The earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB, or RCB, is the large switch with blue test button. This will switch off the power circuits if an earth fault develops. Your gas meter is located externally to your property near your front door. Solar PV panels are installed on your roof that will generate electricity fitted to your property with a photovoltaic meter, which measures the amount of energy collected by the solar panel. You do not need to do anything with this meter. TV and phone points. Your new home is capable of receiving the standard digital terrestrial TV service Freeview channels. There is also a satellite dish installed that will allow you to access more channels if you purchase a satellite system box. Sky Q or Sky Plus cabling has been provided within your home. There is a phone point in your hall cupboard to connect your broadband router, plus phone points in your living room and main bedroom. Link customers can report a repair in a number of ways. Calling our office on 03451 400 100, texting us on 07557 183 553 for a callback, visiting our website and visiting the Report a Repair page and completing the online form, or downloading the MyLink app to your smartphone or tablet. Link will then log your call with McTaggart Construction's customer care team, who will contact you directly and make an appointment to visit. If you have an out-of-hours emergency repair, the mobile numbers for each trade's on-call emergency operative can be found in your home manual.